बहुत सारे लोगों को सोर्सिंग में मसला होता है, लेकिन आज हम ये आपका मसला सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। बिकॉज आज हम लोग बिग 5 के अंदर हैं। बिग 5 एक इवेंट है जहाँ पे जितनी MEP कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज़ है वो सब आई हैं। तो हम लोग मेड इन चाइना में खड़े हैं और हम स्लोली इस वीडियो के अंदर ये भी बताएंगे कि किस तरह से आप लोग सोर्सिंग कर सकते हैं और अपनी अच्छी सोर्सिंग कर सकते हैं। एग्जाम्स का मसला होता है वो भी आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे। इसी वजह से मेक श्योर करें कि वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें और हम ये वीडियो अब कंटिन्यू करते हैं। यहाँ पे बिग 5 के अंदर हम लोग आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे जितने भी वेंडर्स हमें मिले हैं वो सब वेरीफाइड हैं और हम इनका जाके इंटरव्यू करेंगे और देखेंगे कि किन वेंडर के पास, किन सप्लायर्स के पास, किन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के पास क्या क्या मटेरियल है और बारी बारी उन सबका इंटरव्यू करते हैं। So I came to the Made in China booth here in Big 5. I want to ask you a couple of questions. The first question is why Made in China is different from other platforms?
Well, as you can see, you see us here. The other platform, they only have online service, but MadeInChina.com, we provide not online but also offline services. So you can see our members here face to face.
So you guys have members allocated here nearby your booth, right?
Yeah, we brought a pavilion here, MadeInChina.com pavilion.
So after this, we'll go there and see the products, how the product looks like.
Okay.
But if you, what do you mean by like offline? Do you guys have every category here, from beauty, from manufacturing, like anything, or you guys have a specific category here?
We cover all the industries. We now have like over 2 million Chinese supply members here.
2 million?
Yes. So you can literally find anything.
So you mean by 2 million that every 2 million Chinese companies, industries are registered here on Made in China?
Yeah, everything made in China.
Every person who's a new Amazon seller or a new e-commerce seller, he faces a very big issue that if he is ordering from Made in China, how is security being protected? Like for example, is there any way that if I buy anything from China, or Made in China specifically, and if I don't like it, can I return the product? And if the product was damaged, what's the scenario? What we should do?
Well, there are 3 ways that we do to avoid scams.
Yeah.
First is all the supply members on this platform, they have been verified by SGS or BV writers or TV writers.
Yeah.
So you can download their business report for free. They can be more reliable. It's a must on MadeInChina.com, but it is not on other platforms.
Yeah.
And second, we have a buyer team to help deal with all the disputes if there's any.
Yeah.
And third, we have STS, which means Secured Payment Service. We can secure your money, your payment. Your money will go to the platform first. And once the delivery is finished and you make sure the goods are exactly what you want, and then we will give the money to the supplier. So your money will be safe.
So you mentioned secure trading service. Like what did this mean? Like for example, I'm a beginner and I don't know what a secure trading service means. So if you would like to explain it in very easy words for the audience, like how you can explain that?
Well, your money will go to the platform first.
Okay. Like the platform will handle the money until the product is delivered.
Yes.
Okay, the product is good, so they will release the money.
Right.
Okay, so it works like escrow basically. Like you put the payment in escrow and then if it's verified, then they will release it.
Yes, exactly.
Say about the registered suppliers. How many registered suppliers do we have in Made in China platform?
We have about 240,000.
So these all suppliers, 240,000. So
Yeah.
They are from each industry, right?
Yeah, it's from different industries.
Okay. And
All
like,
industry.
like for example, if we go to the Made in China website, like because I don't know Chinese, right? Maybe can I change the website to English? Is it possible?
Yeah, we have 16 languages, but like Italian.
So I've seen something which has really blown my mind. That I've seen you guys have a sourcing with AI feature. But if we say that, how this feature works, can you explain?
Well, this is a new tool from MadeInChina.com, Sourcing AI. It's an AI tool that helps buyers source from China. Let me show you. It's the page. You first step is to use the keyword, or you can just take a photo. Here. Take a picture of the chair.
So you're taking a picture of a chair right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
and use the photo, upload and search.
So if a person goes to this website, they can easily upload any kind of picture and they're able to source it from Made in China.
Yeah, exactly. Now they will show the results. Yeah, different kinds of chairs in madeinchina.com.
So these are all the verified suppliers on Made in China.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So how long ago you guys have introduced this feature? Like 1 week, 2 week, or is it kind of a new feature?
It's an AI sourcing from madeinchina.com.
Okay. So it's kind of simple. So what are the steps? Like for example, a person goes to this website, upload an image, and then they are able to see the product.
Yeah.
It can be any product?
Yeah, exactly. Any product they can, if they can take a picture, they can search.
You are the main manufacturers of Made in China, or just a supplier working with Made in China?
Yeah, we are manufacturers, and we work together with Made in China online and the exhibition business. We have a many cooperation with Made in China website.
For example, if any person who wants to buy wood panels from you online, he can just go to Made in China and give a distribution, or he can just contact you directly.
Yeah, he can go to the Made in China website and search our company name or the product name, like wall panel and the WPT doors. They can find us because we are the best suppliers in Made in China. So it's very easy to find us in online.
तो जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा कि हम लोग यहाँ पे मेड इन चाइना के बूथ पे आए थे, और ये जितने भी हमने देखे हैं सब इनके सप्लायर्स हैं, इनके पास कैप्सूल्स, वुड पैनल, सब कुछ हैं। तो अब हम क्या करते हैं कि व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, और भी सप्लायर्स इनके पास हैं और आप इनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मेड इन चाइना पे अगर आप लोग जाएँ तो इन्हें आप लोग रब्ता कर सकते हैं। इट्स वेरी सिंपल, यू जस्ट हैव टू गो देयर, कॉन्टैक्ट अस, और आप उनसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं। दैट्स इट। व्हाट्स द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस कैप्सूल?
The capsules, like the one you see,
Yeah.
the roll size is 11.5 by 3.3,
Yeah.
and also the height is 3.3 meters.
Okay.
The total price is around $16,000.
$16,000.
Yes, including the middle part bathroom.
So you guys provide everything inside, the bathroom with everything?
Yes.
Okay. So for example, if a person is buying something, this capsule, the whole capsule, if he wants to change something, so the cost will go up and down, or does
Actually,
fixed 16,000?
because for the price I give to you just now,
Yeah.
it's including the capsule itself and also the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
And if you need other furnitures like the bed, sofa, it's extra options. Yes,
So okay, look, you have only this one design, or you have other one as well?
we have other designs.
So this is the first one, and this is the other one.
Yes.
So what's the difference between this is 16,000, this is?
Because of the size is different, and this is another style. We call it apple cabin. Yeah, and this is a space capsule.
So
Yeah.
this one costs around $16,000 only, or like it's more?
It's similar.
It's similar.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for all the details, but I want to ask you one last question. The last question is, if a person wants to buy from China, you guys are located in Made in China, right?
Yeah.
If we want to buy, we just can go to Made in China and buy easily, right?
Yes.
Or direct on the website. But I want to ask you one more last question. The question is that what is the shipping cost, like from China to USA?
To USA.
For this one, just take an example of this one.
Yes.
So what's going to be the cost and the duration?
Because we usually use the China port is from Shenzhen to Shenzhen port, and if the client orders the capsule as modular weight, then the capsule can fit in 40 high-Q container. So the shipment cost is around $6,000.
$6,000.
Yes.
So in total, that would be around somewhere 25, something like that, right? $26,000 in
Yes.
total with shipping. So now we have every detail, but the last question that I want to ask you is about the duration. How much time does it take from China to USA for the shipping?
The shipment time is around 1 month.
1 month? Exactly 1 month?
Yes, 1 month.
Okay, so for example, last question. We have asked you a lot of questions, but let's go further. Like, if I want to buy it from Made in China, how I'm going to do it? Just go on the website and just buy it. Simple.
You mean how to order the
How to place
capsules
our
from
order.
us?
Exactly, from Made in China. Yeah. You guys are listed on Made in China, right?
We can, we have store in Made in China, and also we have our own website.
For example, a lot of people of mine, a lot of audience of mine, they want to go to Made in China and buy. So if you can show your this like the whole caption thing. So if you guys can see, they have all of the models, right? These are the assembly models, like $12,000, $15,000, and I think these all of them sell really well on Amazon.com. You know, so if anybody wants to buy from you, they can just go on Made in China,
Yes.
and then they can place an order for you.
Yes.
So exactly, and after 1 month, they will have it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Really
You're
appreciate your
welcome.
time, and yeah, you guys are amazing.
अगर आप अपना ई-कॉमर्स बिजनेस ग्रो करना चाहते हो यूएई के अंदर या फिर कहीं बाहर, तो मेक श्योर करें कि मेड इन चाइना के साथ लाजमी अकाउंट बनाएं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं लिंक दे रहा हूँ madeinchina.com का, जहाँ पे जाके आप साइन अप कर सकते हैं। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजम करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, और तब तक मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।